The zeal of doing business, getting into the commerce world is high, and the kind of high it gives you pushes you every day, and gives you sleepless nights to think about.
Ankit Khurana, who pursued a PGDM in Finance and Business Analytics, believes that entrepreneurs are made, not born. And it takes courage to make them.
So it started with myself in an engineering college. Got along with some friends and did my first startup in engineering, and it really started well. Our next pivot of the startup was around building a community. Later we realized that while doing a startup, it is very important that you know how organizations can grow in a structured manner. We were really missing that. We had no idea of how to retain people, how to build things which would scale up actually.
That is when he turned to Sunstone's industry integrated training to further develop his skills and grow as an entrepreneur. With its immersive learning model, Sunstone equipped him with all the tools he required to initiate a successful business.
So I went ahead and met Sunstone faculties and tried to understand what are our options, while I could have the option of getting good education and a good future into the right direction that I wanted.
In November 2018, he founded Value Scale Technologies Private Limited, a full-scale digital transformation agency. Value Scale Technologies now has partner offices in India and the UK. Their biggest clients are arguably Airtel and the Danube Group.
No matter what degree or what situation you are in right now, time is going to change. Have the right kind of perseverance and resilience. So keep it simple, calculate your risks, go actually on an Excel sheet to plan your business, and you will be done.